Hello guys, welcome to another video session, and this video session will be going to be a more interesting session because I will be going to introduce one of my latest written book on generative AI with Angular. So since Angular is my first love, so it's all about Angular and all the times Angular being contributions, writing, authoring, so all the stuffs are being related to Angular. I'm quite interested and excited for announcement of this book, and this book is being published on Amazon in Kindle and in paperback as well. So for community experts and other people who really want to learn Angular in terms of generative AI, so this is an we will going to share the link for, like, it's kind of an open book. You can also, if you want to buy, you can buy. If you don't, you can have it. So that's kind of a book it is. So by the way, let me introduce that book. So this is the book called Leveraging Angular, Python, and AI with Gen AI Practical Solutions. So in this book, we have covered Gemini latest AI model, and we also took multiple kind of problems, and we tried to cover up those recipes in terms of integration of Angular with the generative AI. So we have covered multiple recipes related to Gemini and Angular. We also have touch base towards creating REST API, like AI powered APIs with Python and Gemini. We also have covered a very detailed recipe on Amazon Web Services generative AI model called Bedrock. So we have integrated Bedrock with Angular as well. So this book is written by two of my bestest colleagues. So one is Sonu Kapoor from Canada, and other one is Lars. So I'm also been a big fan and big contributor for the open source work of This is Angular and This is Learning, derived by Santosh Yadav and Lars. So I've been also been authoring multiple tech articles, tech blogs in those publications as well. This is Angular and This is Learning. So this book has also been kind of collaborative efforts from This is Angular as well. So this cool book cover is designed by me on Figma. So I have learned Figma in such a way to, like, deep dive and drive those things in a very amazing way. So this is kind of a book we have released and it's been published. So it's kind of a good thing. And I'm also excited to show you the recipes what we have and what we have written. So this is actually kind of a Mohammad Awais. As you also know, I'm a lead software engineer with around 9+ years of experience. So I started my Angular journey back in March 2015. Until now, I'm been actively contributing towards Angular. So I also did my last open source contribution in one of the state management library of Angular called NGRX, and one of my doc related PR is also been waiting for approval. So that's a bit about me. And one or 1.5 month ago, I also released one of the coolest book of solid design principles with Angular. So that was also an amazing book. So one of my co-author is Lars, and other one is Sonu Kapoor. So these two, along with these two co-authors, I have published that book. So apart from those, we have multiple actionable recipes which I want to share with you guys to have a best understanding. So these are actually the coolest recipes what we have covered in this book, and I'm planning to give a deep detailed dive step by step in next video session. So stay tuned and have a look on it, and I will also mean dropping book details below in this video so you can go and check it out. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.